very good.
Very good. And feel better, I believe, kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So, kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So, sobrang thank you.
Where it came from, but the doctor said you have a minimal scoliosis.
Where's the pain?
Center of my
Center?
Yes.
Okay. Out the other side.
Pain.
Where?
In the middle.
Middle. Okay. Right.
Cannot.
Where?
Cannot touch the
Where's the
floor.
pain? You can't touch it.
Here. I think here.
Out the other side. Cannot touch it.
Cannot. Oh, very relaxed. No more back pain because
Go further.
I can touch the floor. And it,
Welcome to our clinic this morning. What brings you in? What can we help you with?
actually, I have a problem in my back. Last year, I have a very pain. So very pain. So it's not only in my bone but in my muscle also. They clicking the blades of right side and left side. So I don't know where it came from, but the doctor said you have a minimal scoliosis.
How long has it been since you've been diagnosed with scoliosis?
Actually, almost 6 years, 6 or 7 years.
And you've had treatment before?
Yes, only once.
What did they do?
They give me some stretching. They give me some advice regarding on my walking, when I sleep. They give me some medicine, but medicine is not for me. It's not really good for me because it feels the same. So that's why I much better. They give me the stretching like the position you walk or sitting. Not only just sitting because I have a position how to sit. Oh yes, no.
Look up. Tension, pain. Next. Turn to the left. Pain. Tension, stiffness.
Yeah.
Where's the pain?
Center of my
Center.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Out the other side.
Pain.
Where?
In the middle.
Middle. Okay. Right.
Cannot.
Where?
Cannot touch the
Where's the
floor.
pain? You can't touch it.
Here. I think here.
Out the other side. Cannot touch it.
Cannot.
Okay.
Oh, very relaxed. Oh. I like it.
Yeah.
Very relaxed.
Any difference? You can go further.
Yes,
You like
more
that?
relaxed. I can stretch even more. I can rotate. Not only this side, not only limited.
Good. You can turn more.
Yeah, I can turn more.
Okay.
No more back pain because in my previous, I can't go around. My back pain is already increased. But I'm more relaxed.
This side. Go further.
I can touch the floor. And then,
There.
yeah, I feel better so much. I feel relief. Actually, this is my first time. My first time experience. Actually, first I'm very takot, scared because I don't know it because my bones very limited the go around and then touching something heavy, so very limited. But when I did some exercises, I feel relaxed. I feel I hear the sound of breaking, and then my neck, because my neck and then my spinal cord is very connected in my bone. But I feel right now I feel difference. I can feel difference. So my wings and my blade. Right now I feel different. I feel it's more comfortable to circulate. Yes. I feel better right now. So I'm very thankful. Although it's my first time, but I will definitely came in my second.